So I got something cool to show you guys. Bam! This is the Nissan GT-R50. This is the Italian version of the GT-R50, and that's cool that brand called Car did this casting. So it's cool that they got the licensing and all. And the whopping cost of this car is 1.1 million smackaroos. I mean, that's a lot for a GT-R. But I guess what Nissan in Italy was trying to do is target more of the millionaires. So this box by Car looks pretty neat. It's nice to store your car in. So if you ever moved, you got this to put it in. Here's a drawing of the car and information, and then you got the, no kids under 3 years old to play with this because you'll choke on parts. Because there is parts that do come off this car. You got more information on this side. You can pause and read it if you want. And then, yeah, here it is. This is my first unboxing, folks, of my channel. So, here it tells you this is the dark green version. And before I ordered this, there were 3 colors to choose from, or was it 4? But this one was selling faster than the other 3 or 4 that were available. There was a test car color I wanted to get, but I didn't see that online. But this was my second favorite color, since the first color wasn't available. And let me put this on the side so I can show you more of the model. Okay, here we go. So here we are. This is a GT-R50. This is your $1.1 million car. So you're gonna get a 3.8 liter V6 Nismo engine, and this is gonna give you 710 horsepower. That's 10 more ponies than a Dodge Hellcat. So for that much money, that's it. I mean, for a Hellcat, you're paying about $75,000. So you're getting rolling wheels, which is nice. So yeah, it's crazy how Nissan's targeting the millionaires. So let's see who buys this car, or who have bought this car already back in 2019 and 20. Here's the back of the car, very well detailed. I mean, Car did a great job when it comes to detailing this car. You're gonna get inserts in the back when it comes to tail lights, and they did a great job in doing that right. You're gonna get side. You got reflective mirrors. Here's the front of the car, and you get inserts for the front as well. You get that little illusion too from those headlights. It says GT-R50 on the front. You can see. Here's a little display of the vehicle. I had to fix my camera, so I'm having some trouble taking this hood off. Give me a second here. There we go. So here's your little 3.8 liter V6 engine. Well, not liter. I say it like it's a bad thing. Okay, no, this is your 3.8 liter V6 engine, packing 710 horsepower. So if you put this against a Hellcat, I don't know. If you keep the Hellcat stocked at 700 horsepower, you have a heavy car going against a mid-size heavy car. That's so this thing's lighter than a Hellcat. But who can win on the drag strips? We don't know. So yeah, this is the car that I would probably never see on the street or anywhere else, because there's only 50 made. But here you go. This is your Italian design 2019 or 2020 GT-R. So if you have $1.1 million laying around, I mean, there you go. So I was comparing this car against another GT-R. Here's a 2009 or 2010 GT-R. And this body now on this GT-R is over 10 years old now. So it hasn't changed since 2009, I think. It's been the same. I mean, yeah, maybe a little light differences here and there, but the body hasn't changed. So I'm giving you an example of the differences between this 2009 GT-R versus this 2019, 2020 GT-R50. And they're identical when it comes to scale. These cars are both 1/64 scale. This is the Mini GT on the right, and you got your Era car on the left. They did a fantastic job on this tooling, and there's other companies who are making this vehicle. Maybe Mini GT is probably working on one. Maybe Inno, Tarmac Works. I don't know. But as far as I know, I think Aerocard nailed it with this car. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed my unboxing, and there will be more in the future, so keep a lookout. And thanks for watching. And if you're not subscribed, please click that subscribe button. And if you like this video, click that thumbs up, please. I really appreciate that. So until next time, thanks for watching, folks. Have a great day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.